Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Offset Shaft Gear lesson. Open the offset shaft part, change to a front view and add a new sketch in the front plane. Draw a line and dimension as indicated. Exit the sketch and rename it Gear Width. Add a new reference plane. Select the right plane and an endpoint of the sketch. Click OK. Add a second plane. Select the right plane, the other endpoint, and click OK. In the Hide Show command, show all planes. Change to a front view and hide all planes. Add a new sketch in the front plane and draw a vertical construction line. With the construction line selected, click in the menu Tools, Sketch Tools, Dynamic Mirror. Draw one side of the sketch. And dimension it. Exit the sketch and rename it Thread Profile. Make all planes visible. Select plane 1 and add a new sketch. From the Convert Entities command, select Intersection Curve, select the face, and click OK. Click on the Curves command and select Helix and Spiral. Set the helix options and click OK. Click on the Sweep Boss command, select the thread profile and the spiral and click OK. Select the helix and select Hide from the context toolbar. Add a new sketch in plane 2. Select the edge and click on Convert Entities. Click on the Curves command and select Helix and Spiral. Activate the Taper Helix option. Set the helix options and click OK. Select the flat face at the end of the sweep. Add a new sketch and click on Convert Entities. Click on Sweep Boss, select the sketch and the helix and click OK. Select the helix and hide it. Add a new sketch in plane 1. Select the edge and click on Convert Entities. Click on the Curves command and select Helix and Spiral. Reverse the direction, change to counterclockwise, set the helix options and click OK. Select the flat face at the end of the sweep, add a new sketch and click on Convert Entities. Click on Sweep Boss, select the sketch and the helix and click OK. Hide the helix, all reference planes, and the gear width sketch. Add a new fillet, set the radius, select an edge, expand the selection with the selection toolbar and click OK. Use the Save As command and save the part as offset shaft gear.